Top 6 Best Commercial Blender. Hey everyone, James here. Looking for the best option before you buy? In this video, we're counting down the top products available right now. We've compared features, performance, value, and customer feedback to help you find the right choice. Links to all products are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 6. WantJoin Pro Series Blender. If you need a blender that actually handles restaurant-level work without waking up the whole house, this is worth a close look. It delivers brutal power with a 2200W motor spinning at 38,000 revolutions per minute, yet somehow keeps the noise surprisingly low, thanks to a soundproof shield and secure lid that keeps everything. Total game changer. Under the hood, a strong motor and high-speed blade deliver consistent texture, whether you're crushing ice, and scare the neighbors. You get 15. The big picture gives generous batches, the self-cleaning function saves time, and overheat protection adds peace of mind. Yes, it takes up counter space and is not as rock-solid as heavy industrial equipment, but for fitness enthusiasts and small food businesses, this option balances power, convenience, and quiet very well. If you want that commercial performance without the ear-splitting racket, this is a smart investment. Number 5. Ninja BN701 Professional Plus Blender. If you are the kind of person who gets excited about crushing ice for smoothies or frozen cocktails, this is the upgrade you have been waiting for. The big upgrade here is that 1400W motor, a noticeable jump from older models like the BL610, and it makes tough ingredients feel totally effortless. You get 3 smart auto IQ presets, so you basically press a button and let the machine handle the timing and pulsing for you, which takes the guesswork out of texture and gives consistent results every time. The total crushing blades and the 72-ounce pitcher mean you can go straight from whole fruits to icy drinks without stopping to scrap down the sides. It is powerful, it is intuitive, and cleanup is easy since many parts are dishwasher safe. This is a great option for smoothie lovers and cocktail fans who want a blender that keeps up with their frozen cravings. Number 4. CRANDDI K96 Pro Blender. If you need a blender that actually handles tough, everyday demands without turning every batch into an event, this is worth a close look. It throws serious power at the problem with 1500 watts and a rotor spinning at 24,000 revolutions per minute. So ice, frozen fruit, and stubborn ingredients get broken down fast instead of sitting at the bottom. You get real control with 9 speeds plus a pulse, which means you can dial in anything from a coarse chop to a restaurant-style smoothie, and the extra-large 80-ounce pitcher means you can cook for a crowd in one go. A tamper helps keep thick mixtures moving, and 6 stainless steel blades are built to last. Yes, it is heavy and bulky, but that solid feel is what makes the performance and stability so reassuring for home cooks or small businesses who rely on it each day. Number 3. WantJoin 200D Professional Blender. If you need a blender that actually crushes ice and handles big batches without stopping, this is worth a closer look. Perfect for busy home cooks or small cafes that want one reliable workhorse, not a drawer full of weak machines. One standout option can tackle frozen fruit, hard ice, and even hot soup with real speed, thanks to serious power and a high-speed spin that gets things smooth fast. You get a large pitcher in one go, so you can batch a huge smoothie, nut butter, or soup for a crowd without doing it twice. The big cup might take up counter space, and it does pull a bit of power, but the trade-off is convenient one-touch cleaning and precise speed control. If you make a lot of thick stuff often, this kind of power and capacity genuinely changes how easy blending becomes. Number 2. WantJoin Pro Series Blender. If you need a blender that actually handles restaurant-level work without waking up the whole house, this is worth a close look. It delivers brutal power with a 2200W motor spinning at 38,000 revolutions per minute, yet somehow keeps the noise surprisingly low, thanks to a soundproof shield and secure lid that keeps everything. Total game changer. Under the hood, a strong motor and high-speed blade deliver consistent texture, whether you're crushing ice, and scare the neighbors. You get 15. The big pitcher gives generous batches, the self-cleaning function saves time, and overheat protection adds peace of mind. Yes, it takes up counter space and is not as rock-solid as heavy industrial equipment, but for fitness enthusiasts and small food businesses, this option balances power, convenience, and quiet very well. If you want that commercial performance without the ear-splitting racket, this is a smart investment. Number 1. Cleanblend Pro 500 Commercial Blender. If you need a workhorse blender for serious, large batch blending, this is worth a close look. Perfect for busy cafes or anyone who wants to truly replace multiple small appliances with one countertop powerhouse. It tackles tough jobs with a strong 3 HP, 1800 watt performance, handling daily high-volume use without strain. The commercial-grade build uses durable, BPA-free stainless steel and a sealed bearing system for long-lasting, safe operation. You get a very large 64-ounce pitcher, which is fantastic for making big smoothies, soups, or batches of sauce in one go. Of course, this power comes with trade-offs. It is heavier and louder, with a larger footprint, so it's best for spaces where noise isn't a huge issue. For restaurants or home users who regularly need massive portions, this model is a true time saver. It genuinely consolidates tasks, acting like several machines in one sturdy, reliable unit. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and check the description for product links and current pricing. We'll see you in the next one.